Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we generate a logo design idea for a web application. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that my business is called Bookmarks. It is a simple web application and a browser extension where teams and individuals can share and manage their bookmarks together, so they can stay in sync and manage their workflows more easily. In terms of logo inspiration, I really like the logos that include the initial letters with some other elements like Airbnb. Ideally, it would be something I could use as a favicon as well as main logo. And now the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the logo, or you can say the name of the business, which is Bookmarks. Second one is that it's a web application for sharing. And third one is the bookmark, which is being shared. So I decided to design our logo on the basis of these three elements. First one, initial letter M, as the client suggests in the brief. Second one is the sharing, because it's a platform for sharing. And third one is the bookmark, which is the most important part of the logo. So I combined these three elements and designed different sketches, and this was the finalized version. Now let's break down this one into different parts to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the letter M. Now this symbol represents the sharing. And this part represents the bookmark, which is rotated at 180 degrees. And now this is for today's video. Please share your thoughts about the design in the comments section, that whether you liked it or not, and if you want to suggest any modifications. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.